What is the value of peak magnetic field? Whereas the root mean square value of electric field is given in the question. The relation between electric and magnetic field in terms of EM waves can be written as B peak value will be equal to E peak divided by C. Whereas B is representing the magnetic field, E is representing the instantaneous electric field, and C is representing the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So here in the question we have only the ERMS value. It's known that the peak value of electric field is equal root 2 times ERMS. So we can rearrange the equation of peak value of magnetic field in terms of ERMS. So it can be written as root 2 times ERMS divided by C. Now we can apply the value root 2 times ERMS is given as 6 volt per meter. So root 2 times 6 divided by 3 times 10 to the power 8. When we are simplifying this, we will get the answer of 2.83 times 10 to the power negative 8 and the unit will be Tesla. So the correct answer for this question is option A here.